In this video, we're making this delicious creamy rice kheer. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. So first you're going to rinse your rice with water at least 2 times and then set that aside. Then set a saucepan on low flame and add in the ghee. Once it is melted, add in the cashew nuts and fry these until they're golden in color. Once they're golden, you're going to set them aside in a bowl. In the same saucepan, add in the rice and fry it for about a minute. Then add in the milk. Then give it a mix and set it on very low flame while stirring now and then until the rice cooks. This might take about 20 minutes or more, so make sure to keep an eye on it. Once the rice has cooked and the mixture is a bit thick, you can add in the sugar and mix that in. The sugar might get dissolved and turn a bit more watery, so you can cook this again for about 10 minutes. Here you can see that the kheer has thickened a bit. At this point, you can add in the cardamom powder and the cashew nuts. Keep in mind that the kheer will thicken even more as it cools and if you refrigerate it. You can serve this warm or you can chill it in the refrigerator, and it tastes really delicious either way. This is such a simple dish to make and yet so satisfying. The combination of the rice and the sweet milk is so comforting. I really do hope you try this out and subscribe for more recipes, and I will see you soon. Bye!